We're moving now.
Do we have weapons, by the way?
We do. If you push tab, I think.
Tab. Oh, tab.
But I don't think we can use them in the safe zone. We can't hit each other.
Damn.
Hey. No friendly fire. We're in this together.
Yeah, we're in this together. The thing is, where do we go now?
Do you see on the
circle?
Map? Yeah, the circle. I think we go to the circle. Oh, wait, it's pretty close.
I'll race you there.
Okay. I don't know how to
play.
You're just going.
Parkour!
Yeah, we have to parkour. Oh,
Parkour.
there's zombies.
Kill the most zombies.
Oh!
Wait! Oh!
They're fast!
Ow! Oh, they fast! Oh, they fast!